Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is McKenna, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this pink Shopify website for online boutiques. This website is optimized for mobile and desktop view, so it looks amazing on both. In this tutorial I'll be using the softwares Shopify and Canva. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, you can set up a free account and you can create all kinds of designs on there, and you don't have to have the Canva Pro membership. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing you're going to do is open up Shopify, and then you're going to go to online store and then themes. Once you scroll down, you'll see all of their website templates that they have. So I'm just going to install the original Dawn theme. Alright, once that's finished installing, I'm just going to click customize, and as you can see, here is how our website will first look. And then when you click this button up here, this will show it in full screen preview, and then when you click this phone icon, it will show you the mobile version. The very first thing I'm going to do is click on the header, and then right under desktop logo position, I'm going to change this to middle center. This way our logo will appear in the center of the website. When people click on the home bar, this will take them straight to the home page of your website, and then when they click on the catalog, this will take them to your catalog of products, so it will show all of your products that you have on your shop. And then the contact page is just going to be where they can contact you, and of course you can go into your settings on Shopify and then make a custom header or a custom footer if you would like, so that you can organize these based off of your products that you have. So to add your logo, you're just going to go to theme settings, and then right here under logo, you'll be able to upload your logo and your favicon image straight from your computer. Once that's loaded, you're just going to click done. So to increase the size, right under desktop logo width, you can increase the size of your logo. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit the announcement bar. So right here under home page, you will see the announcement bar option, and right here, this is going to be the text of the announcement bar, so you can type in whatever text you would like to put. And then right under link, you can paste a link if you would like. You can link like a product or a certain product collection of yours. I'm going to go here to colors, and then I'm just going to open up color scheme 2, and I'm going to change the background to sort of a light pink, light coral color. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on the announcement bar, and then I'm going to set the color scheme to color scheme 2. That way the announcement bar will be that shade of pink. For the image banner, the first thing I'm going to do is click on it, and then right under image overlay opacity, I'm going to reduce this to 0. This way our web banner that we put here will show up fully opaque. And then I'm going to click on this heading bar, and then I'm just going to click remove block. The image banner is currently set to color scheme 3, so I'm just going to change this to color scheme 1. I'm just going to use a color scheme that has a black button label. Right here for the link, for this button link, you can link this to your catalog, or you can link this to a particular collection you would like. So now I've opened up Canva, and in Canva I'm going to be creating our web banner. So I'm going to put the dimensions for this web banner on the screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on this background, and then I'm going to change this to a sort of light shade of pink. Next, right under upload files, I'm just going to upload the pictures that I'm going to be adding. Once you're finished, I'm just going to go here to text, and then I'm going to upload one of their heading. And then when you click on the font, I'm just going to apply the font Alta, and then I'm just going to duplicate this text box, and I'm going to create a larger text right below it. And then I'm just going to apply another text box, and then I'm going to be applying the font Hamilton. And next, once you click on elements, I'm just going to search for star, and I'm just going to upload a few star elements. You can upload whatever kind of elements you would like. You can add hearts, you can add stars. If you have a boutique, you can also add like clothing icons. Once that's done, we have completed the web banner. So I'm just going to click share, and then I'm going to click download, and I'm just going to download this in a PNG format for the best quality. Alright, now I'm back here on Shopify, and I'm just going to click on the main image banner, and then I'm going to click select image. And then once you click done, your web banner will upload right into this area. Right here under banner height, I'm going to set this to adapt to first image. And then once we click on full screen, here is how our website is going to look so far. So to add your collection list, right in between these two sections, I'm just going to click add section, and then I'm going to add collection list. I'm going to increase the number of columns to 4. And then right under heading, you can go ahead and title this section whatever you would like. Next, right under color scheme, I'm going to set this to color scheme 2. That way it has that light pink background. Then next, I'm just going to go here to theme settings. I'm going to click on typography, and I'm just going to be changing this main font to a more narrow sans font. And then once that's done, you'll notice when you click on a collection, you'll be able to select which product collection you would like to insert into each column. If you don't know what a product collection is on Shopify, it is just a collection of products that you've chosen to put together. That way you can keep your shop organized. To create your product collection, you're just going to open up Shopify, you're going to go to products, and then you're going to click collections. Here you can click create collection, and it will allow you to name your collection. So let's say you have a clothing boutique, you can name this shoes, or you can name this accessories. You can give your collection a description. Once you set up your collection, every new product that you launch, you'll be able to assign it to that collection. Alright, and then once you've uploaded your collection, here is how this section is going to look. Next, I'm going to show you how I created the About Us section. So first, I'm just going to apply an image banner. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to remove the container on desktop, and I'm also going to remove the container on mobile. When you click on these button labels, I'm just going to remove the second button label. I'm going to apply the outline button style. And then right here, you can paste whatever link you would like. I'm just going to link this to the Contact Us page. Next, you can go ahead and type in the text that you would like to add. And then I'm going to scroll up, and then right under first image, I'm just going to click select image. And then I'm just going to upload the background image that I would like to add to this section. To add the fixed background movement, I'm just going to scroll down, and right under image behavior, I'm just going to select fixed background position. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how I added those borders around this section. So first, I'm just going to click add section, and then I'm going to select rich text. I'm just going to remove all of the text elements, and I'm going to remove the button label as well. Then I'm going to reduce the bottom padding to 8 pixels. Then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to repeat this step to the bottom of this section. And for this part, I'm going to set this to color scheme 2. And there you go, that is how I created the About Us section. Now I'm going to show you how I created the shop qualities section. So right in between these two sections, I'm just going to apply multi-column. Then I'm going to remove the button label. I'm also going to remove the heading text. And then right under secondary background, I'm just going to remove this as well. Under column alignment, I'm going to set this to center, that way the text will be centered. And now you can title these columns whatever you would like, so I'm just going to title this one quality. This one is going to represent fast shipping. And this last one is going to say excellent service. And I'm just using this as an example, but you can type in whatever text you want for the descriptions as well. I'm back here on Canva, and I'm just going to use the same template that we're already on. I'm going to click add page, and then I'm going to duplicate this page about 3 times. So over here in the elements section, I've just searched for a rose gold element, and then I'm just going to upload a circular rose gold icon. Next, right under shapes, I'm just going to upload a circle icon, and I'm going to change this to the color white. Next, I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to duplicate this on all of the pages. Alright, and now you can insert whatever icons you would like to add. So I've just searched for quality, and I'm going to upload a quality icon. I'm going to repeat this, and I'm going to put a fast shipping icon. And then for this last one, I'm going to put a customer service icon. And then next, you can download these in a PNG format. And then here on Shopify, I'm just going to select a column, and then I'm going to click select image. And then one by one, you can just upload your icons. To minimize the size of the icons, I'm just going to go right under image width, and I'm going to set this to half width of column. And that is how I created the shop qualities section. In case you guys are interested in skipping all of these editing steps, I do have a pre-made template on my shop. It is a fully done-for-you website template, and it includes all of the Canva templates that you see me creating in this video, so you won't have to do any of that from scratch. It is this exact website that you see here with the same colors and the same text. And it also includes a super easy installation guide, and that template will be linked in my description box along with a discount code that you guys can use. Alright, so to add your featured collection, I'm just going to click add section to template, and then I'm going to select featured collection. Right under heading, you can go ahead and type in your title. And once I scroll down, I'm just going to set this to color scheme 2. And once you click select collection, you'll be able to insert whichever collection you would like to feature. And once you're finished, that is how I added the featured product collection. Next, I'm going to show you how I designed the customer reviews section. So I'm just going to click add section to template, and I'm going to select multi-column. Firstly, I'm just going to remove the button label, and then you can title this section. I'm going to remove the column background, and then I'm also going to change the column alignment to center. Under color scheme, I'm just going to apply color scheme 4, and then I'm just going to go here to color scheme 4, and then I'm going to change this to a light shade of pink. And I'm also going to change the text to black. Right under number of columns on desktop, I'm going to increase this to 4. You can leave it at 3 if you would like. And then to add the stars, I'm just going to paste some star emojis right under the heading bar. And then right under description is where you can put in your customer's review. I'd recommend putting their name right below it in bold. So I'm just going to use this text as an example for you guys. I'm also going to put on the column background. When you click on a column, right under description, you'll be able to paste a link if you want straight to the customer's review or straight to the product that they left their review on. And that is how I designed the customer feedback section. Now I'm going to show you how I created that next image banner. So first, I'm just going to apply an image banner to this section. Then I'm going to click on the button labels, and I'm just going to remove the second button label. Next, you can go ahead and add your text. And currently this is set to color scheme 1, and I'm going to change this button label to a pink color. So I'm just going to go here to color scheme 1, and then right under solid button background, I'm going to change this to the coral color. And also for the solid button label, this is going to be the text. I'm just going to change this to black. Okay, so I'm back here on Canva, and I'm going to show you how I created the 3-grid image banner. So I'm just going to add a page to the same template we're already on. I'm going to go here to elements, and I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm just going to go to their grids section. I'm going to apply a 3-grid, and then I'm going to increase the grid spacing. Next, you can go ahead and upload the pictures that you would like to add, and then just drag and drop them onto the canvas. Once you're finished, I'm just going to download this page, and then I'm just going to upload this into the image area on Shopify. Once you scroll down, right under banner height, I'm going to set this to adapt to first image. And that is how I designed the second image banner section. To add your email sign up, right in between here, I'm just going to upload an email sign up. Then you can change the text to your liking, and I'm also going to minimize the heading size. I'm going to set this to color scheme 2. And then to add the blog post section, I'm just going to upload multi-row. I'm going to set this color scheme to color scheme 4. And as you can see, there are 3 rows, so I'm just going to remove this 3rd row. You can leave that in if you would like. And these 2 sections are going to represent your blog post. So right under heading, you can put the title of your blog post right there. And you can also put a mini description or summary of your blog post right here under the text tab. And then right under the button label, you'll be able to paste the link straight to your blog post. And then right into these image slots, you'll be able to insert any picture that you would like to use to represent your blog post. And that's how I designed the email sign up and the blog post section. And of course, if there are any of these sections that you would prefer not to have in your website, you can just skip any of these steps. Next, I'm going to show you how to add the Instagram post section. So first, I'm just going to add multi-column, and then I'm going to increase the number of columns to 4. Next, I'm going to change the heading. I'm going to reduce the heading size to small. I'm also going to apply the color scheme 2. So I want the button label to be an outline style, and currently multi-column does not allow you to do the outline button style. So first I'm just going to remove the button label, and then I'm going to add a section. I'm just going to add rich text. Then I'm just going to remove all of the text blocks. I'm going to set this to color scheme 2, that way it matches this section. I'm also going to reduce the top and bottom padding. When you click on the button label, we'll be able to apply the outline button style, and then you can change this text to say whatever you would like. Right here under the link, you can just paste the link straight to your Instagram. When you click on one of the columns, right under heading, you can title this like the caption of your Instagram post. As an example, I'm just going to put the text Instagram post, but you can title each of these sections as you would like, or you can just put the caption of your Instagram post. Now I'm going to show you how I added the rose gold outlined Instagram post. This step is optional, but just in case you want that rose gold border. So here on Canva, I've just opened up an Instagram post template. I'm just going to duplicate this 4 times. And then here under elements, I'm just going to upload a rose gold square image. Right here under frames, I'm just going to upload a square frame. And then you can just go ahead and copy this and then paste it on the rest of the pages. And then you can just upload the Instagram posts that you would like to feature and then just drag and drop them into these grids. And then one by one, you can just upload each of these into the columns. And that is how I designed the Instagram post section. Lastly, I'm just going to show you how I added the third image banner. So first, I'm just going to add a image banner section. And here, I'm just going to remove all of the text blocks. I'm going to remove the container on desktop and remove the container on mobile. Under desktop content position, I'm going to change this to bottom center. When you click on the button labels, I'm just going to remove the second button label. And then you can rename this first button label and insert a link or link it to a product collection. And then I'm going to apply the outline button style. Alright, I'm back here on Canva and I'm going to show you how I created that web banner. So I'm on the same web banner template and I'm just going to click add page. I'm going to go here to elements and I'm going to upload that same 3 grid and then I'm going to remove the grid spacing. And then you can just go ahead and insert your pictures. And then right here in elements, I'm just going to upload a square shape. And then I'm going to change it to a light pink color. Then I'm slightly going to lower the opacity. Then I'm going to click on text and I'm just going to upload a text box. And I'm going to change this to the font Brown Sugar. And then I'm just going to upload another text box right above that. And then I'm going to change this to the font Hamilton. I'm going to duplicate this text box and I'm going to create a smaller text box right below it. Next, I'm going to put this in uppercase and then I'm going to apply the font The Seasons. And then I'm also going to add a few more of those star elements. And then I'm going to download this in a PNG format. Now I'm just going to click on the image banner on Shopify and I'm going to click select image. And here you can just upload that web banner design. And then right under banner height, I'm going to set this to adapt to first image. And that is how I designed the third image banner. And there you have it. This is the finished Shopify website. And like I mentioned before, this Shopify website template is available on my shop in case you just want to order my template. It is a pre-made, done-for-you website template and it includes all of the Canva templates that you've seen me putting together in this video, so you won't have to create those from scratch. That will be linked in my description box along with a discount code that you guys can use. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in another style of Shopify website, check out this tutorial on my channel.